My name's Robbie Brennan. I'm an engineer for Blue Machinery Scotland. Today we're at Tom's Forest Quarry for Breedon in Aberdeen. Blue Machinery Scotland has supplied Breedon with a 1300 Maxtrak, 1000 Maxtrak and two Chieftain 2200 triple decks by Powerscreen. This is a closed loop ag train producing 20, 14, 10, 6mm and dust. So the 1300 Maxtrak is feeding the first Chieftain 2200, which has screen media of 24s, 16s and 5mm, taking off the 20mm. So the plus 24 for the first Chieftain 2200, the oversize, is fed to the 1000 Maxtrak, which is in a closed loop. The material is fed back into the first Chieftain 2200, which is de-dusted and then sent on to the second 2200, which is making 14, 10, 6 and dust. Thanks to the two 4-bearing screen boxes, this machine has unrivaled throughput at tighter specifications. Customers come to Blue Scotland to purchase Powerscreen cones because of their low cost per tonne and the world-renowned Automax chamber. For more information on any of our products, contact your local Blue representative or go straight to the website